West of the
Only 65 because the lake
display today. Thank you so much for we encourage you to grab. There's a lot of stuff for sale. 24 Car Show calendar t-shirts from cruisingblues.com. We are now going to make winners of the cars registered as number 140, 140, and also number 50, the Richard Pickering Award, Pick's Choice. Vehicle of that owner's choice. So stick around. A one Green Hill vehicle appraisal.
More than double in sales and popularity. Plus luxury versions never before available. Like
Chevy Owners Association. As you know, so that's what's going on.
Yeah, wow.
Get going, I'm like 40.
It's a good one. It was so cool.
I think the regular wagon probably won't have the foam on it. Too much stuff. They changed the seats and door panels. They changed.
Is this out bling bling. Flashback 1979 Chevy.
By the Stones, of course. That's Bob and Earl. And also, we'll make a winner of flyers and information on upcoming events. Boy, there's a next weekend. We'll be into it. You'll find that for you. Our annual event that we call the Cruise to the Peak is one of the oldest businesses in Rhode Island. 150 years they've been in business, delivering delicious fresh to Monroe for about 35 years. Love them to pieces. But we'll be up there from 3 to 6 next Sunday afternoon for that no admission fee, simple free cruise. They even give every participant
Melody Rhode from Cumberland in Rhode Island. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye. What year is this? 59. Wow, Chevy, right? Or
No, Edsel.
what is that?
Edsel.
Renegade.
Dennis is also sponsoring through Green Hills among all orphans. I mean, just standing here, I can look around and see a ton of orphans. Back away, the owner lease is done with one of the business ones you're going to be. And $150, and it's still climbing. For the love of money, get into the drawing while you have a chance.